It's really important to get a good history and a good physical exam on someone before scheduling for a hair transplant. Reasons being is that you want to make sure that the reason they have hair loss is due to genetic reasons, that they could be a candidate for a hair transplant, or there may be other reasons such as a scar or traction alopecia, but you want to make sure they don't have an autoimmune condition like alopecia areata or scarring alopecia like frontal fibrosing alopecia, because that hair transplant will not succeed. The hair will not grow. And it's really important to know that beforehand, before scheduling a procedure. And if there's any uncertainty whatsoever and you're not completely sure what the diagnosis is, you do a biopsy. You do a punch biopsy, you take a little piece of the skin and the scalp in the area that's concerning. It may take 1 or 2 stitches to close that area. You take that biopsied specimen, you send it to a qualified lab that can do dermatopathology and be able to diagnose skin conditions. So they have to have experience, and I would speak to the dermatopathologist beforehand to make sure this is something that they feel comfortable with, and you get a really good, accurate diagnosis of what's going on. And if it does show androgenetic alopecia, then you could proceed with a hair transplant. But if there's any autoimmune process or scarring alopecia that's going on, then you do not want to schedule a hair transplant, and medical treatments would be the option for this patient.